Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to go back in time a few years and learn how to make these dessert crepes. Before I get started, I publish new content each week, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click the bell to get notified about the latest videos. Check out debsdays.com too. That's where you'll find the ingredient list for these crepes. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. At Deb's Days, you'll also find free sewing and crafting patterns and links to sewing and crafting tutorials. If you're a cruiser, I've got you covered there too. Check out my cruising resources section. You'll find cruise tips, trip reports, port and ship specific articles, and plenty of photos. Let's get to work making some delicious and tasty crepes. Today we're going to make crepes. We need 2 eggs. We're going to beat those. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. That's the milk that comes in a can. We need 1/4 cup of that. We'll mix that well. Now we need a cup of flour. We're going to add half of it first. We also need a cup of milk. We're going to add half of that as well. We'll mix that up. We want that blended well. You could also put this in a blender and do it that way, but I'm just using a whisk. When that's smooth, go ahead and add the rest of the flour, the rest of the milk, and then beat that till smooth. When that's smooth, then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then blend that in. We need a very hot nonstick pan. We need a 1/4 cup of batter. We'll do some swirling. It's not going to take very long at all for this to cook. Want to go around your edges to make sure they're not going to stick. As soon as that top looks dry, then just slide under and flip it. You'll give it just a moment to cook on that side. You can either pull it out of the pan just like this, or you can go ahead and fold them over. Now you have some delicious crepes. You can serve them as is and throw some berries over the top. You could open them up and fill them. You could use whipped cream, fruit, powdered sugar. Yummy for breakfast or for dessert.